On today's menu, a bowl of noodles that will change your life. Get ready to make the ultimate vegan spicy tantan ramen. Lei Hou Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Now, I've actually filmed a spicy tantan ramen episode already about a year ago, but you could say that it was kind of the bowl of noodles that changed my life. So much so that I actually published a vegan ramen cookbook. And if you haven't already checked this out, you can do so in the link above or a link in the description box below. Now, this spicy tantan ramen recipe is not exactly the same one in the cookbook, but it is still an incredible variation. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Sauté pan, medium-high heat, olive oil. Sauté a bunch of bamboo slices for a few minutes. Quarter cup corn. Pepper. Sauté for a few minutes. Set aside. These are just some dried wild mushrooms that I rehydrated. There is so much flavor in these. Gotta chop them up and then saute them in the pan. Mince. Pinch of pink salt. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Set aside. Use chopsticks to loosen the noodles occasionally. If you're using the handmade noodles in my previous episode, it will take 7 minutes to cook. I'm just making one portion for myself today, so I'm just going to use the saute pan to make the stock. 2 cups vegetable stock. 5 grams kombu. Serving bowl. 1 tablespoon sesame paste. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cane sugar. This is the most amazing, smoky, just incredibly delicious and aromatic chili oil. Super easy to make. I'll leave the link in the description box below to the previous episode. 1 teaspoon chili oil. Whisk. When the broth comes to a boil, remove the kombu. Now, to help prevent the milk from separating when you add it into the broth, just make sure that you're not shocking the milk. So turn the heat off, make sure your broth is not bubbling and boiling away. If you can leave your milk in room temperature, that's actually even better. Just have to give it a little bit of love. So turn the heat off, let it stop bubbling, pour in the milk while whisking. And this way, they ease together a lot better. When the noodles are cooked, strain out the water. Pour the broth into your serving bowl. Noodles. Bamboo. Corn. Wild mushrooms. Fresh chopped green onion. These are Korean dried chili pepper threads. So this is my signature cashew ramen egg, and we're gonna scoop out a little bit of that egg and fill it in with this beautiful turmeric chickpea filling. I will leave a link in the description box below because I have filmed a previous episode to show you exactly step by step how to make these amazing ramen eggs. cashew and chickpea ramen egg. Now this is my favorite part. 1 tablespoon chili oil. Seriously, that is like a painting. That is a work of art. You can now make the ultimate vegan spicy tantan ramen with absolute confidence. This has really got to be the ultimate plant-based spicy tantan ramen. That is so flavorful. That cashew egg really tastes like egg. An amazing smokiness and that spicy, a little bit of a spiciness works really well with that amazing sweet corn. Oh my goodness. That broth is absolutely incredible. That is insane. Just amazing. If you'd like to find more information about my vegan ramen cookbook, you can check it out in the description below. And definitely remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.